Hello, ladies, gents, and everyones. It is Thursday, September 16th, and we're here to talk about this week's space and astronomy news. Last week, I told you that Perseverance had collected its first sample, but it's even better than that because the rover has actually done 2 samples now. Super exciting. The samples were both taken from the same rock, and they have been named this. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it, I'm sorry. Now, the rock seems to have been created by ancient lava flows on Mars, and it contains salt that's probably from evaporated water, which is really cool. Now, scientists already knew that there was water at this location. It used to be a lake. That's one of the reasons that they chose this site for the rover. But what they don't know is how long water was at this site. 10 years? A million years? So there's some signs now from these new samples that in fact water was in this lake for a very long time. So this is really exciting for the possibility of ancient habitability on Mars. Now these sorts of rocks can sometimes trap water droplets. That's happened here on Earth, and they contain signs of ancient life on Earth. So this might be an excellent way to look for ancient life on Mars. So these are really exciting samples and absolutely cannot wait to get them back here, whenever that happens. Yesterday, 4 civilians suited up and launched into space on board a Falcon 9 rocket in a Crew Dragon capsule. Yes, of course, this was the Inspiration4 mission that was first announced back in March of this year. This was a really historic launch. Foremost, it's the first time that there's been an all-civilian orbital mission. So that's really exciting. Also, this is the first human spaceflight since 2009 that hasn't docked at the ISS, and it's the first ever one of such flights for the Crew Dragon capsule. They were able to take advantage of this by replacing the docking module with this cupola, which I can only imagine. So jealous. Not only is this an amazing experience and opportunity for these civilians, but they're also hoping to raise money for St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, up to $200 million. And they're also conducting some scientific research during their 3-day mission. They'll be landing this weekend in the water off the coast of Florida, so congratulations on a successful launch and good luck for the rest of the Inspiration4 mission. You may recall that the Shenzhou-12 spacecraft launched back in June, taking 3 Chinese astronauts to the new Chinese space station Tiangong. That mission has now completed. It was a 90-day mission on board the space station, making a new record for Chinese astronauts. They have successfully separated from the station and are looking forward to re-entry. They should be landing tomorrow in North China. This was the first of 4 crewed missions planned to the Tiangong as part of its construction, and construction should be finished by the end of next year. Steve Wozniak, one of the co-founders of Apple, announced a new private space company this week. The company is called Privateer Space, and it's not entirely clear what exactly it's going to be doing. The trailer that Wozniak released on Twitter was really focused on the unity of mankind and our one planet and conservation of space for future generations. It seems that the company might be aimed at space debris removal, which is a problem that's been known for a very long time with very few solutions, and so this could be really exciting. This comes in the same week that a Space Force general, addressing a conference in Hawaii, said that we basically need trash trucks to pick up space debris, and she also emphasized that it would probably be a private sector initiative. Turns out that people get a little nervous when governments and militaries try and do this because they think it could be aimed at, removing active satellites as kind of a weaponized thing. But Privateer Space is currently in stealth mode according to their website, so we really don't have a lot of details, but looking forward to seeing just what's going to be going on there. Well, that's it for this week. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope I will see you again next week. Have a good one. Bye!